scientific study of Vedas, creation of universe, starting from Brahman. In the last class, we have seen the creation of ionic compounds through atom, combination of atom with other substances. There is another process also which resulted in the formation of compounds like methane, ethane, etc., in which bonds are forming. Such compounds are called covalent compound, coordinate bond likewise, that we can see in the coming classes. Before that, we know due to these type of combinations, all these things in this universe are created. In connection with it, there are certain suktas, and let us go through it. Go through some of the suktas. Now, in the Yajurveda, chapter 3, 60, Sukta 16, there is such a statement. Let us go through it.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 3 മന്ത്രം 60. ഋഷി വസിഷ്ഠഃ ദേവതാ രുദ്രഃ ഛന്ദഃ വിരാട് ബ്രഹ്മി തൃഷ്ടുപ് സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ. ത്രയംബകം യജാമഹേ സുഗന്ധിം പുഷ്ടിവർദ്ധനം ഉർവാരുകമിവ ബന്ധനാത് മൃത്യോമുക്ഷീയമാമൃതാത്. ത്രയംബകം യജാമഹേ സുഗന്ധിം പരിവേദനം ഉർവാരുകമിവ ബന്ധനാത് ഇദോമുക്ഷീയമാമുദഃ.
It says the essence of everything is RUDRA. The essence of everything means everything is created from this atom. Atom is called a RUDRA. So that is the fundamental thing. RUDRA or atom. By combining atoms, we are getting other things. So it is the essence of all the things. Then it says, from this comes out other things. That also is true. No more explanation is required. It again says, it gives out smell. Because atom does not possess, or RUDRA does not as such possess any smell. When it combines with other atoms and forms molecule, these molecule possess smell. We know chlorine atom does not possess any smell. But when it combines with another chlorine atom and form chlorine gas, then it possesses some smell. It also says it destroys. It can be destroyed. That atom can be destroyed. It is not immortal, because atom does not exist as such. It will combine with other atom, then it loses its atomic nature and forms another substance. So it is not immortal, but it can be produced by chemical means. But some equations or some scientific means, that is called stuti or suktas. There are Vedic suktas by which it can be produced. Atom immediately combines with other things to form new substances. Atom does not exist as such, but we can produce atom by splitting these molecules. But it will last only for few seconds, that atom. It will again combine. So we can combine atom, we can produce atom, but it will immediately it will combine with our atom to form molecules. It says it will not disappear from this earth because all the substances in this earth are made up of atom. We cannot completely destroy it. Atom can neither be created, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Likewise, energy and atom are interchangeable. Mass, matter and energy are interchangeable. So if atom is destroyed, it will appear in energy form and vice versa. So it cannot be destroyed from this earth. But the atom disappears when all the universe also merges with the Brahman. So everything that says in this sutta is already we have seen. Let us go through another sutta, that is in Yajurveda, chapter 16, Sutta 39, and let us see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രം 37. ഋഷി കുത്സഹ ദേവതാരുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ നിർജത് ആർഷി തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ ധൈവതഃ നമസ്രുത്യായ ച പഥ്യായ ച നമഃ കാട്യായ ച നീപ്യായ ച നമഃ കുല്യായ ച സരസ്യായ ച നമോ നാദേയായ ച വൈശന്തായ ച.
It says Rudra is in waves. Waves means these are made up of matter. Everything is made up of Rudra. So it is there in waves. It is in water. It will be in pond. And in every places, including oceans, and it can also be seen in the center of a pond or an island. Why it is so? Because this Rudra is at the center of a number of orbits which can be treated as a pole or an island. If these nucleus and the orbits are considered as an island surrounded by these orbits, then this atom is at the center of this orbits. That is the nucleus. This atom is this Rudran is at the center of this nucleus, where in this case Rudran is the driving force in the nucleus, which is responsible for the creation of this atom. And now let us go through another sutta, that is in Yajurveda, Sutta 60, chapter 16, Sutta 7 and 8, and let us see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രങ്ങൾ 7 8. ഋഷി പ്രജാപതി ദേവതാരുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ വിരാടാർഷി പങ്ക്തി സ്വരഃ പഞ്ചമഃ. അസൗ യോ അവസർപ്പതി നീലഗ്രീവോ വിലോഹിതഃ ഉദൈനം ഗോപ അദൃശ്യൻ അദൃശ്യൻ ഉദഹാര്യഃ सदृष्टो मृडयादिनः नमोऽस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः.
It say those who deals with the cockle or cows as per Veda in Trishput, based on Trishput Chandas or Anushtup Chandas, these cockles are electrons. So those who are, and the flow of electron is called electricity. Those who are dealing with the electricity and water, etc., they have seen these Rudra. That means those scientists who are studying about the structure of water or about electricity, they know what is Rudra and where it is, like that. So only scientists can see Rudra through certain equipments or through researches or like that. Because scientists predicted the structure of the atom. They predicted at the center there is nucleus, that is Rudra as per Veda, and electrons are revolving around it. Based on which they have discovered that the flow of electron is called electricity, and this water, etc., is made up of these type of atoms likewise. So scientists already discovered such thing, that is what is seen in this sukta. So let us go to another sukta. In Rigveda Mandal 1, 5 of Sukta 114, and let us see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 114 5. ദിവോ വരാഹമരുഷം കവർദിനം ദേശരൂപം നമ സാനിഹ്വയാമഹേ ഹസ്തേ ബിഭ്രത് പേഷജ വാര്യാണി ശർമ്മ വർമ്മ ചർഭിർ അസ്മഭ്യം യംസത്.
It says we can see Rudra in the sky in the form of cloud. Instead of mentioning it as cloud, he says like a hair. That is called Jada. Jada of Shiva. His hair. Likewise, we can see in the sky. That means in the cloud. Cloud is likewise. So, in this cloud, Rudra is the atom is the in the form of hydrogen ion and OH negative ion, etc. So we can see there also Rudra in the form of hair, thick hair. So all these things we have already seen. Now again, let us go to another sukta in Yajurveda, chapter 16, sutta 45, and let us see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രം 45. ഋഷി പരമേഷ്ടി പ്രജാപതി വാ ദേവത ദേവതാ രുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ നിർജതാർഷി തൃഷ്ടുപ്പ് സ്വരഃ പഞ്ചമഃ. നമഃ ശുഷ്ക്യായ ച ഹരിത്യായ ച നമഃ പാംസവ്യായ ച രജസ്യായ ച നമോ ലോപ്യായ ച उपलभ्याय च नम उर्व्याय च सूर्याय च.
It says it is there in the minute form of cells, and it is also in the chlorophyll. It is also in the small insects or virus or small, very small insects, that is virus, bacteria, etc. It is there in any crops. It can be seen in any pond where water is there. In everywhere Rudra is there. We know this universe was created by combining different types of Rudra. So it will be there. Now, let us go through another Sukta in Yajurveda, chapter 16, Sukta 55, and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രം 55. ഋഷി പരമേഷ്ടി പ്രജാപതിർവാ ദേവ ദേവതാ രുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ ഹൂരിക് ആർഷികുഷ്ണിക് സ്വരഃ ഋഷഭഃ അസ്മിന്മഹത്യർണവേന്തരീക്ഷേ ഭവാധിതേഷാം സഹസ്രയോജനേവ ധന്വാനി തന്മസി.
Says in water and in the outer atmosphere there are a number of Rudras. That means wherever we go there is Rudra, because everything in this universe, whether it is under the earth or above the earth, what all things are there, everything is made up of atom as per modern science, and that atom is Rudra, that is what Veda says. Now let us go through another Sukta in Yajurveda, chapter 16, Sukta 66, and see what it says.
വേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രം 66. ഋഷി പരമേഷ്ടി പ്രജാപതിർവാ ദേവാഹ ദേവതാ രുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ ധൃതി സ്വരഃ ഋഷഭഃ. നമോസ്തു രുദ്രേഭ്യോ യേ പൃഥ്വ്യാം യേഷാം അന്നമിഷവഃ തേഭ്യോ ദശ പ്രാചീർദശ ദക്ഷിണാദശ പ്രതീചിർദശ ഉദീചിർദശോർധ്വാഃ തേഭ്യോ നമോസ്തു തേ നോ അവന്തു തേ നോ മൃഡയന്തു തേ യം ദിശമേ യശ്ച നോ ദേഷ്ടി തമേഷാം ജംഭേ ദത്മഃ.
He said what all food items are there in this, or organic substances are there in this universe. It was created by Rudra. He created different types of food items or organic substances that we are eating now. For example, mango, rice, everything, what all things are there, that is made up of, that is due to the creation of this Rudra. Now let us go through another Sukta in Yajurveda, chapter 16, Sukta 21, and see what it says.
യജുർവേദം അധ്യായം 16 മന്ത്രം 21. ഋഷി കുത്സഃ ദേവതാ രുദ്രാഹ ഛന്ദഃ നിർജത് ദഷ്ടി സ്വരഃ മാധ്യമഃ. നമോ വഞ്ചതേ പരിവഞ്ചതേ സ്ഥായൂനാം പതയേ നമോ നമോ നിഷംഗിണായിഷുധിമധേ തസ്കരാണാം പതയേ നമോ നമഃ. സൃഗായിഭ്യോ ജിഘാംസഭ്യോ വിഷ്ണതാം പതയേ നമോ നമോ. അസമ്മഭ്യോ നക്തഞ്ചരഭ്യോ വിവൃന്ദാനാം പതയേ നമഃ.
He says Rudran is the lot of the change that take place in this universe. What all changes that are taking place in this universe, it is controlled by Rudra. Because if we are creating a new type of synthetic rubber, that is from Rudra. That is using different types of atoms and combining those atoms. We can produce new artificial things. What all things we are producing artificially, that also is using this principle, atomic, with the support of different types of atoms and the chemistry behind which we are creating such things. So Rudra is responsible for what all changes that is taking place in this universe. So Rudra is the lord of the changes that is taking place in this universe. And it creates new laws based on it for the progress of this universe. That means everything is related with the atom. As per modern science also, this universe was created using different types of atom, very millions of years back. But there is no end to it, because it is a cyclic process. The creation of universe, its destruction, again it will create this universe, and the process continues, and it is going through 4 yugas, Trita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, Kali Yuga, likewise, and it is a cyclic process. So there is no end. In all this, these atoms or rudras are taking place.